I Never Cry by Alex Cooper. If there's a tears on my face, it makes me shiver to the bone. It's just a heartache that I've caught in my eye, and you know I never cry, I never cry. Sometimes I dream more that I need you, until the